Hello everyone. Today we will learn about how to wrap a text on the face of a cylindrical surface. So we will make this text on the surface of any curved area. So press Ctrl N for new tab, new window in the Fusion 360. So we will be making a cylindrical body. So press C, select top face, top plane, and make a circle of diameter 100 and another inner diameter circle of 80. Click E for extrude, select this profile and make extrude up to 100 the height. Okay, so create sketch and select the front plane. Okay, I will hide this body once. Select this front plane and it will look like this, and go to create option here and select a text. Okay, I think this much area is okay. I will write a text here. Let's say I will write the same text, RoRa Forge. Let's make a height 10 and fonts area black, bold, or I can just click OK and hide and double click this and make this surface up to 8. Okay, open this body. So again I can move this sketch, press M for move and select this sketch. Okay, so I will try to put down this text on the surface, I mean in the center of the whole cylindrical surface. So I think this is okay, right? Okay, finish sketch and E for extrude and select this text. So on the text here, start should be from object. Okay, this is the cylindrical surface is our object, so I will select this object face and click here on the surface of a cylindrical body. Click OK. So it will look like this from the top. And yeah, offset I will make it 2 mm. Sorry, not the offset, the distance, not distance, this here 2 mm. Okay, so our text will look like this and operation join. Okay, so this is our text on the surface of a cylindrical object or any curved surface. Yeah, so this much for today. I will try to bring more tutorial on how to make a text on a more curved area, wavy area in near future. Stay tuned and subscribe my YouTube channel RoRa Forge. Thank you.